It was a good session, actually. You know, you've conquered important marks, the 17,500, 17,550 odds. The markets are going into the RBI event expecting 25 basis points and maybe, in fact, expecting dovish commentary as well to come through. So that's the reason why, you know, the markets ended higher. The Nifty bank that ends higher with a gain of around 0.5% or thereabouts. So the Nifty ended higher. That told you that, in fact, some of those large cap names did very, very well. L&T on the back of the big order win in the hydrocarbon business, stock is up close to around 4%. HDFC up close to around 3%. Giving a company on the upside was the other twin, HDFC Bank. ITC as well accounts for a large weightage on the index. Well, that as well was up close to around 2%. And HUL as well went home with good gains in trade today. What didn't do too well? Well, one of those big outperformers in the last 1 year, Mahindra and Mahindra pulled back a little bit, was down close to around 1.5%. Eicher Motors as well was under some pressure, and IndusInd Bank as well ended with a cut of close to around 1%. But Mangalam, the mid-cap index, that ended more or less flattish, but plenty of stocks gained from the broader markets. The small-cap index, in fact, was up 0.4%.
It was a great day of trade, Nigel. Any way you cut it, you know, the mid-cap index, while it was flat, it could perhaps be on account of the weekly options expiry, because we had 3 stocks advancing for every stock which was declining today. The mid-cap IT stocks, that took your breath away. Big gains coming in for LTTS, LTI, as well as Coforge. And then we had the city gas distribution companies as well doing extremely well, the likes of IGL and Mahanagar Gas. Order wins coming in for NBCC as well. That stock ended about 3.5% higher. What did not do too well in the mid-cap end of things, we had Ashok Leyland, some worries about CV growth going forward. That stock lower by about 4%. AB Fashion and Retail also ended about 4% lower. Most of the cuts came by in the last hour of trade. And Federal Bank, despite a decentish update, the stock ended about 3.5% lower, but way more gainers than losers today. And that's how we wrap trade. In fact, on that note, we wrap up this edition of Closing Bell as well. Don't go anywhere, however. The focus on markets continues on the other side.